Hello friends around the world. So today I want to show you the difference between Turkish coffee and Moroccan coffee. So I have all the setup over here. Let's start with Turkish coffee. So Turkish coffee, we have to, but of course Turkish coffee like this. We have this brand and we have this brand, okay? And this is like the most famous one. Okay, the setup is easy. We have just this ones, let me show you how it's from inside. Is just like powder, you know. So the coffee is like this, just almost powder, and you have just set up, okay, the pot, and of course we serve it over here, okay, in small cups. This is it, okay, and it's have a strong smell, very strong smell. Like Turkish coffee, it's more than being so strong coffee. Okay, so this is it about like Moroccan coffee. So I have this pot over here. Normally the pot is like this or bigger, but this one is just for decoration. So I just want to show you how is it. It's just like that. And like we need coffee, so any kind of coffee brands. Of course the coffee is not the same, I already know this. So it's not completely powder, but it's like have some, like, you know, it's not completely soft. I want to say, like, because the Turkish coffee is kind of soft. And so any kind of coffee, there is no specific Moroccan ones. So we said we have this also, like we put from this, there is cardamom. Okay, we'll put a little bit and I will show you. And we put cinnamon. It's like you can put it like this, okay, and you can put it as powder, of course. Okay, so you have the choice. Normally we prefer to put it like a stuff fresh ginger, or it can be powder, either like fresh or powder. We serve it in a big cup like this size, okay. And I want just to mention that as Turkish coffee, we drink it like alone. We don't never mix it with milk. Okay, so but Moroccan coffee, it's usually mixed with milk. Okay, and it's have sugar. Okay, it's have sugar. But Turkish coffee, it doesn't have sugar. I mean, like if you want to, but usually it doesn't have, and it's so strong, and it's after like heavy meals like lunch. Okay, you drink it without milk. It's never mixed with milk. Okay, in a small cups like this. So let's go ahead and do coffee. Okay, so we will like try with Turkish coffee first. Okay, you can put the size you want, okay, how much you want to drink. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit because I'm just gonna test it right now. Okay, so we're gonna put hot water. Okay, I just have it in a pot. The size you want it soft, you want it like strong, so as you like. Even like the coffee itself, it's strong. I mean, like you can like make it soft, but I don't like lighter, but I don't think like it's gonna work. But anyway, because you know, like it smells so strong. I don't know, it's just for me or like in general. So I'm just telling you. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in the stove. Here our coffee is in the stove. Okay, so I just put a little bit because I'm not sure if I can drink coffee this time or not. Okay, let's go ahead and prepare Moroccan coffee. So I'm going to use this pot, because usually this one is just a decoration, so we don't have really a Moroccan one. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of coffee, as I told you, so as much as you gonna drink. Okay, so I'm just go ahead and put a little bit because I don't want to have much coffee this night. So here where we put a little bit of coffee, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of cardamom, and I will cut a little bit of ginger. Okay, so I like the smell. It smells very fresh. Okay, and a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit, not much. Okay, and all together Just you can prefer to put like right now sugar, I mean like right now, or just like after, but it's gonna be like for Moroccan coffee in the stove. Now we can serve it. So for Turkish coffee, as I told you, so just we put in this cup. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring this. Okay, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, go ahead. So just the size of the smoke. Okay, so it's gonna be just like this, and you can drink it like this. It's normally without sugar. If you put sugar, I put sugar. Okay, so you can drink it like this. It's so strong coffee, as I told you. And Moroccan coffee is like this. Is the smell of all the spices. Okay, so normally we put it in this big cup, okay, and it's mixed with milk, as I told you, but I'm not mixing it with milk right now. Just gonna show you how it look like. Okay, so normally here I don't think you're gonna see the differences, but I just want to show you. So it's just like this. Okay, the smell is the spices smell, and for the Turkish coffee it's just the coffee smell. Okay, so like this, you can put it light or like strong, and this is it, Moroccan coffee and Turkish coffee.